Hey there, and welcome to today's video on digital marketing. In this video, we'll be going through step-by-step ways to do digital marketing and discussing some real-life examples. Let's get started. Define your target audience. The first step in any digital marketing campaign is to define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests, demographics, and behaviors? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts to meet their needs. For example, if you're targeting millennials, you may want to focus on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, whereas if you're targeting an older audience, you may want to focus on SEO. Set your marketing goals. Next, you'll want to set your marketing goals. What do you want to achieve through your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? By setting clear goals, you can measure the success of your campaign and make adjustments as needed. For example, if your goal is to increase website traffic, you may want to focus on content marketing and SEO. If your goal is to generate leads, you may want to focus on creating a lead magnet and running targeted ads. Create a content strategy. One of the most important components of digital marketing is content. You'll want to create a content strategy that aligns with your target audience and marketing goals. What types of content will resonate with your audience? Will you be creating blog posts, social media posts, videos, or other types of content? For example, if you're targeting a B2B audience, you may want to create informative blog posts and white papers. If you're targeting a B2C audience, you may want to create more visual content like videos and social media posts. Optimize your website. Your website is the hub of your digital marketing efforts. You'll want to optimize your website for search engines and user experience. This includes things like optimizing your page titles and descriptions, creating a clear navigation structure, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. For example, if you're running an e-commerce website, you may want to optimize your product pages for search engines and ensure a smooth checkout process. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for digital marketing. You'll want to create a social media strategy that aligns with your target audience and marketing goals. What platforms will you focus on? How often will you post? What types of content will you create? For example, if you're targeting a younger audience, you may want to focus on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. If you're targeting a more professional audience, you may want to focus on platforms like LinkedIn. Run paid advertising campaigns. Paid advertising is another powerful tool for digital marketing. You'll want to create targeted ads that align with your target audience and marketing goals. What platforms will you use? What types of ads will you create? What's your budget? For example, if you're running a B2B campaign, you may want to run ads on LinkedIn. If you're running a B2C campaign, you may want to run ads on Facebook or Instagram. Monitor your analytics. Analytics are essential for measuring the success of your digital marketing campaign. You'll want to monitor your website traffic and social media engagement, as well as track the performance of your ads. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and make adjustments as needed. For example, if you're running a Facebook ad campaign, you may want to track the click-through rate, center, and conversion rate to determine how effective your ads are. Use email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for digital marketing, allowing you to stay in touch with your audience and promote your products or services. You'll want to create targeted email campaigns that align with your target audience and marketing goals. What types of emails will you send? How often will you send them? For example, if you're running an e-commerce website, you may want to send promotional emails and abandoned cart emails to encourage sales. And that's it. We've covered the step-by-step ways to do digital marketing, including defining your target audience, setting your marketing goals, creating a content strategy, optimizing your website, leveraging social media, running paid advertising campaigns, monitoring your analytics, and using email marketing. Remember, digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. By following these steps and making data-driven decisions, you can create a successful digital marketing campaign that reaches your target audience and achieves your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.